Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So in today's video I am going to show you all my Flipkart haul. So I have got few products from the Flipkart app and there are very less products, so this is going to be a mini haul. So before moving further, I would request you all, please take a moment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss any update for my future video. So what happened was, there was a sale going on, the Big Billion sale on Flipkart app, and I got to know about that very much later, and I was thinking about getting some of the products and then making a haul video about it, so that you guys can also get a chance to buy the products at a very affordable price. But I received my orders very late, so by the time I received all my products the sale was over. So I was little upset that I could not make a video. And also the next Diwali sale is also coming up. Whatever products I have got, I will share it with you guys, so you can have a look on everything I got, and you can try to get your hands on them on the next sale. So without wasting any more time, let's straight get into this video. Starting up with this primer. So this is NY Bay primer. This minimizes pores, blends like a dream, hydrating in nature. So I have used this in my recent video. I'll put you can click on the I button here and you can go and check that video out where I have used this primer, and I have talked about it. And this is a 15 gram of tube. I wanted to try this. I have seen some good reviews about it, so I thought of giving it a shot. And the actual price of this tube is 190 rupees, and I got it in 150 or 152 something. Our next product is Garnier Skin Naturals. This is a micellar water. This bottle is of 400 ml and its actual price is 349, but I got this in just rupees to 188, and now the price is 350 or something. If I get the link, I'll put it down in the description box. Make sure you check that out. And yeah, I think this was a good purchase, and I really wanted a makeup remover. This was my last order from the sale, so I haven't used it yet. So yeah, the next product is this Plum Face Mist. This is by far my favorite face mist. It just brightens up my skin, and this is a 100 ml bottle, but I got this for rupees 270, and its actual price is rupees 360. And the next product is this is Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer of 200 ml, and its actual price is for rupees 325, and I got this at rupees 162. So this was also a good purchase. I have used this before in the small size, if you guys remember my previous video. This suits my skin, so I got this in the full size. And the next product was this Colossal Kajal, and this was for rupees 180, and I got this for rupees 162. As I don't apply kajal on regular basis, but I really needed that. This is not a smudge proof kajal, but if you want to create some smoky eye look or some smudgy coal makeup look or something like that, you should totally go for this kajal. It has a very creamy texture and it glides on your eyelids really well. So if you're looking for a smudgy look, then you should totally go for Colossal Kajal. Moving on with the next product. So I got this BH Cosmetics brush set. This comes with 13 pieces brush set. You'll get all 13 sets, which is very useful for eye makeup and your tapered brush, powder brush, fan brush, and for contouring, for eye makeup and everything. So it has 13 most important brushes in this whole set, and I really wanted to try some other brushes too. And earlier I still am using Zoeva brushes set, and it's also a very beautiful brushes. Let me know if you guys want me to do another video on brushes. Actual price was for rupees 2000, but I got this on a sale for rupees 699, which is 700, which I think is a good deal. So let me open this and show you guys. So I am not happy with the packaging. Like there's a normal box with their brand name, and then there's this plastic bags, and you'll get some more plastic bags with a brush. I really don't like the packaging, but anyway. So the bristles are very soft and very sturdy. Yeah, and there's a written BH Cosmetics. So I think this might be a first copy of BH Cosmetics. I really don't know. I have no idea about that, but this looks quite good. I haven't used it yet. I'll use it and then I'll let you guys know. So for that, please make sure you have subscribed to my channel, and please press the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I upload a new video. So yeah, and our last product is these boots. So I am not a really big fan of casual boots. I was having a shoot, so for that I got this boots. So yeah, the actual price of this boots was rupees 1000, but I got this at rupees 460. मैंने काफ़ी पहले ऑर्डर किया था, बट इसे यूज़ नहीं किया है, बट मैंने अभी इसे इसमें ऐड कर दिया है ताकि मैं रिव्यू दे सकूँ अगर आपको लेना है. So if you are into boots, then or if you are a beginner, you want to try boots, then you should totally go for this, because the quality of these boots are really good. But for the price, I think it's perfect. I got this for some shoot, and these are very comfortable. The material underneath are very soft, so it is very much comfortable to wear. If you are looking for a boot, then you should totally check that out. So with this, I have completed this haul. So I hope this video was a bit helpful for you guys. I'll try to put the link in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out if you are looking for the products. Don't worry, अगर आपने इस बार मिस कर दिया है तो अब नेक्स्ट दिवाली सेल आने वाली है, तो मेक श्योर कीप योर आई ऑन द सेल्स. लाइक अगर आपको पता चलता है कि सेल है तो आप जाके चेक करिए अगर आपको कोई चीज़ चाहिए. And I really wanted to put this out there कि it's not like अगर सेल है तो आपको कुछ ना कुछ लेना ही है. ये जितने भी मैंने सामान यहाँ पे लिए हैं, जो भी मैंने प्रोडक्ट्स लिए हैं, ये सब मुझे चाहिए थे, मुझे ज़रूरत थी इन चीज़ों की, तो ही मैंने लिया है. इट्स नॉट लाइक सेल आ गया तो मुझे लेना है, जो मेरे पास है फिर भी मुझे लेना है, या फिर feel that need of something which we already have. like कम में है तो यार ले लेते हैं, तो वो मैं नहीं करती हूँ. तो मुझे जेन्युइनली ये सब सारी चीज़ चाहिए थी, इसलिए मैंने ली है. अगर if you don't want or if you don't need anything, then please don't open any app. Avoid that. अगर आपको नहीं चाहिए, नहीं ज़रूरत है, तो मत लीजिए, मत ओपन कीजिए कोई भी ऐप, क्योंकि मोस्टली ऐसे ही होता है. मैं भी यही सोचती हूँ कि कुछ ले लूँ, क्या लूँ अगर सेल चल रहा है तो दैट सो मच ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट और इतना ज़्यादा वो होता है, तो आई एंड अप बाइंग थिंग्स विच आई रियली डोंट नीड जस्ट बिकॉज सेल है, कम प्राइस में है. बट that's where we go wrong. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do let me know in the comment section below, and I shall see you in my next video. Till then, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss any update for my future video. And I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye.